Lexus is more than just an automotive brand. It is a philosophy where engineering precision, refined design, and thoughtful comfort come together in perfect balance. Every Lexus is created with a deep focus on the human experience, anticipating the needs of the driver and delivering confidence in every moment behind the wheel. Nothing is accidental. Every decision is intentional, refined, and purposeful. The design language of Lexus reflects a balance between strength and elegance, where clean lines and confident proportions create a presence that feels dynamic even at a standstill. Light and shadow interact with the surfaces to shape an unmistakable character that remains timeless and modern. Inside, the cabin becomes a space of calm, control, and focus. Materials are carefully selected for their texture, durability, and tactile quality, while every element is positioned exactly where it feels natural. The result is an interior that reduces distraction and enhances comfort, allowing both driver and passengers to feel relaxed and in control on every journey. Technology in Lexus works quietly in the background, supporting the experience without overwhelming it. Systems are designed to be intuitive, seamless, and reliable, enhancing safety, comfort, and confidence without demanding attention. Everything functions as a single harmonious system, built for everyday use and long-term trust.